You searched how to buy shares of Rxsight Inc. Rxsight is an ophthalmic medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RXST, and this video is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy RXST, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with a photo ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RXST to find Rxsight Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to check basic company information and the price chart to view recent movements. Confirm the company name and RXST ticker match before moving on. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next trading session. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be submitted. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description for reference.